Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have a pretty banged up Galaxy S20 from Samsung. And David is itching to fix this smartphone, so let's get to it. So first thing we're gonna do is try to remove the back cover on this Galaxy S20. And David is known here in the shop as the Galaxy expert, so it's gonna be an easy fix for him. And if you try this on your own, make sure you have the proper tools, the guts, and experience to perform the same repair. We'll see what he will do differently this time. This is kind of your standard fix, and as you can see there, the back cover is an easy removal. So that means this smartphone has been opened before, it's been fixed before, or it's got a new back cover. We don't know. We're gonna remove the connector for the display so we can test if our replacement display works with this board, so we don't have to waste time if it doesn't. Or we can get another replacement display. Sometimes replacement parts can go bust, but so far so good. We can see the Samsung logo. It's booting up. It's taking a while. You can see something, but it's too dim. And it's zero battery. It's very typical on broken smartphones to be fully drained, so this is gonna take a while to recharge, so I'm not gonna push that charging time any longer. I'm just gonna replace it right away since we can see that it's gonna work anyway. We're gonna remove some screws on the main board, daughter board. We're also gonna uncover that. I'm gonna lift that up. The entire board will be removed in one piece, so it's quite easy compared to other smartphone brands. I'm going to remove the SIM card tray and pry to the side here. And there you go. The main board is off of the smartphone. I'm going to put that to the side here. So everything that you can see here will be removed and transferred to the new display, because our new display also has its own brand new housing. So the end result should look like a brand new smartphone, because we're not only gonna replace the broken display, but we're also gonna replace the scratched up housing. First thing we're gonna transfer is the daughter board, since it's the easiest thing to transfer. I'm gonna screw that in. There's two screws on both sides of the Type-C port. Next up is we're gonna remove some components here, miscellaneous ones, and also the battery. The battery, easy to remove, and that means this smartphone has been fixed before. Most likely a new display. Next up is the main board. We're gonna transfer that. The front camera also gonna be installed, and we're gonna cover the daughter board and the main board. So that's gonna be a quick one. Also gonna put one of the last parts here, the wireless charging film or pad, and screw that in. I'm gonna tighten all the screws, still a bit more left. And while we reassemble everything, we're gonna connect the charger so that we can properly test it with a bit of power in the battery. 3%, okay, that's good. We put back the SIM card tray. I'm gonna try to turn this on. And look at that. Look at that. Looks brand new. So if you have a broken S20 and you plan to replace it with a brand new one, why not replace the broken display, replace the battery, and just think that you have a brand new one. It's gonna save you a lot of money. This is still a very capable phone for this era of smartphone. So as you can see here, the colors are still good, and I think this is the best that Samsung has to offer. Although they have brand new ones, foldable smartphones, but if you want a backup phone or you want to save a bit of cash, you can definitely go on the repair route, especially with David here. He's gonna make sure you get the best value for your money, keep your smartphone working for longer so you can enjoy your S20 for at least 2 years. And we're gonna cover this up. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for joining, guys. This is the before and after. Take care. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.